name is Seun. I just successfully completed the 2 days training on Microsoft suits, and it's such a very awesome experience for me. This is my first time at Genius Business School. The instructors were very professional. The trainings were not just practical, they were very interactive. As a journalist, I intend to deploy some of the new things I've learned here to improve on my skill as a journalist. And I want to say a very huge thank you to the organization, Genius Business School, for affording me the opportunity to be a part of this. I know I can never be the same again with this training. Thank you so much, Genius Business School.